How to fix Discord stream lagging in Windows. 1. Close apps not in use via WTM. 2. Disable the quality of packet high packet priority option under voice and video. 3. Update graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Use Windows Internet Connections Troubleshooter. 5. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 6. Turn on both video code options, H.264 hardware acceleration and OpenH.264 video codec. 7. Reset voice settings in Discord. 8. Enable/disable hardware acceleration. 9. Change the power settings on your Windows 10. Clear Discord cache files at %of data %/Discord/cache.